got y'all. I know y'all can't see me, but can y'all see me now? Let me see. Okay, y'all know what? I am hot sitting in my car because I actually left my daughter has my key in my car. And it's push start. So my silly self is sitting in my friend's house. Oh, they coming now. That was quick. They were a couple of blocks away. My kids were at their cousin's house. I said, I'm going to go by my friend's house. I went to my friend's house, y'all. Tried to start my car up, and baby, goodbye and good day. I couldn't go nowhere. I had to call my daughter like, you got my key. These new cars is a mess. Whew. Oh, my God. They came so quick. That is so sweet. So I thought I'll tell you guys, Journey family, that this is ridiculous. I can't even get my life. And I know my friend, she ain't even here. I know they looking like, why is this lady still sitting in front of her house? But, that's sad.
So, your friend?
She is not home. That's her truck when she home. Come on, get in the car. Now I can go, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Journey family, I'm glad y'all listened to me for a couple seconds, but they made it here quick. Yeah. Thank y'all. I can start my car.
See? Where
you got a soda you can drop back there?
Hello?
You want it?
Yeah, I have it.
It's Diet Coke.
Okay, it's hot. Where your brother at?
He ain't want to come.
He at the house.
Oh,
He said he in the car.
He right here.
So y'all,
There's some dogs out here that tried to get us.
what dog?
Right here, they tried to get us at this house
That
right
house,
here.
one of these houses is cute. I want it. I don't know. I probably was this one.
See?
No, the one with the bus. Oh yeah, yeah, that's nice.
But they got dogs that tried to get us.
I want one of them.
If you want like
Okay, could you hold my camera? Cause really, for real, in real life, I don't want it to
Can you
fall.
put your seatbelt on?
Y'all, I could not move my car, Journey family. This is sickening.
You park like on the grass, like, get off my lawn.
I don't think she was there, but I'll talk to her another
That's
time.
not her car. It tells you to put your seatbelt.
Oh my God.
Can you
y'all
put your
came
seatbelt
so
on?
quick.
We started walking as soon as you said that.
Was y'all laughing at me?
No, we was laughing at the fact that we hardly knew where we was going.
Y'all went the right way. I said come forward.
She was going. I know where she was going.
Man, we just took longer. She said we took.
I knew where I was going to a certain extent. We got right here.
What kind of nephew is that? Gonna say we should have taken longer.
Kaya had us walking on 19th.
Who went home with your brother? Oh, I should go to my other friend's house.
You just got friends in this neighborhood.
This is the ghetto, okay?
Yeah, I just said that.
That house yellow for real. Give my key.
Can you put your seatbelt on?
I'm almost to where I need to be.
She say that all the time.
I'm sorry, Jennifer. Maybe clicking her
No,
ticket.
don't say that now, because every time you on piss, I almost there, almost there.
Oh, well, he got a Journey baby on the side of me talking, y'all. The Journey family baby is on my phone. The phone. I'm driving slow. It's burning up in this car. Woo. So y'all, that's our little short talk, because that was real sad. I'm like, I thought about it when I turned the car off. I said, I ain't gonna be able to go nowhere. Because if we open the door, I'm like, I can't.
What if you would have got out? It would have been time to have to sit outside the car.
I was smart. I let the window down first, and then I got out the car. Then I didn't even close the door all the way, because I knew if I close, they ain't gonna let me back in. I ain't got time for these cars. They be doing too much.
Other side.
What?
Because if you didn't see your car wide open, they would have.
No, you can't steal it.
You can't pull off the key that you permit.
You can't do nothing with it.
Oh, you used to let your car?
He said.
No.
It's push start. It's like where you don't need a key.
How you gonna? I don't know how you gonna steal this.
You can't. So.
Every car have wires.
Yeah, it do, but
You still can hide your.
Moron.
yeah.
It's not one car you can't. I know. So technically you can.
Y'all stay with me because I'm about to go to my other friend's house.
Yeah.
Who is your other friend?
Do you want to stay with your cousin?
Who is your other friend and where they at?
Come on.
Why you worried about it, Journey baby?
Ma.
Wait, what other friends?
Really, that's exactly what I'm trying to ask her.
Well, get out then.
No, I'm good right here.
Put my kid out here.
Come on, who was your other key? You just tell me.
Don't worry about that. Give my key, my
All right, come on. We going to your other friend house.
Thank you.
Okay. It's hot. Let your window down.
I got Lori Harvey on my wish list. That's Lori.
Okay, Journey Family, I'm gonna end this video, but let me let you know this. Sorry we didn't pray in the last video, but that's because I was all over the place. And you guys missed Johnson Creek today, boys. Look at her, the girl, she dancing.
No, not, no.
But anyways,
Go home, Tricity.
Tricity, I'm done. Call her Tricity.
Like a
Sound like
Tricity.
somebody ghetto now.
Oh my God.
Tricity.
But y'all, if this is your first time watching,
Grandma Jim Cuss ain't
watching.